Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Friday, March 14th, 2008. Video game maker Electronic Arts has launched a hostile $2 billion tender offer for rival Take-Two Interactive Software, reports the Associated Press. The move takes the offer directly to Take-Two shareholders after Take-Two management rejected EA's bid late last month. The tender offer, which is not contingent on financing, is set to expire at midnight on April 11th, unless extended. Take-Two's annual shareholders meeting is expected to take place on April 10th. Take-Two is the publisher of popular title Grand Theft Auto and other video games. Staying with capital markets news, Time Warner-owned AOL is acquiring popular UK networking site Bebo for $850 million in cash, reports the Financial Times. Bebo, known to many as the British version of MySpace, is one of the world's largest social networks. It is second in the UK behind Facebook and the third largest in the US. The deal is likely to result in a large payout for British entrepreneur Michael Birch and his American wife, who launched the site in July 2005 from California. And in other capital markets news, Pacific Gas and Electric reopened a December offering of 10-year notes to sell $200 million more of the paper, and at the same time has issued $400 million in the new 30-year notes to repay commercial paper ahead of its $3.6 billion capital expenditure program this year. From the total proceeds, $500 million will be used to pay down almost all of PG&E's outstanding commercial paper, which has an average interest of about 3.52%. The balance will be used for working capital. Troubled bond insurer Ambac Financial Group has put rumors of plans to split the company in two to bed by announcing a $1.5 billion capital raising plan, Reactions magazine reported. The company said on March 7th it would raise about $1 billion in common stock and $500 million in equity units. The proceeds from the offering will be passed on to its operating subsidiary, Ambac Assurance Corporation, to help shore up its capital position. About $100 million will be retained by the holding company. The reaction from the rating agencies was mixed. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Capital Markets channel online and read the latest developments.